Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture that's not the picture they're going to use, but they were more curious this is the one they sent me off the internet, and they were more curious how to get that little, I guess they're going to print a black border. They want that little corner cut out. It's really pretty easy. This is done with the transformation or the transparency docker. So what we're going to do first, we're going to make a frame around this. So I'm actually going to hit the plus key and move it over. And then I'm going to take a rectangle, and then I'm going to fill that in with a color. And I get a rectangle, and then I'm going to fill that rectangle in and see it covers up the picture. Then I can left click, right click. But this is not a box per se. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a rectangle tool and go from that corner to that corner. And now if we look, it's a rectangle, and I got my ratio unlocked. So that top corner, I'm going to use chamfered, and I'm going to go like 0.25. Well, that's not enough. Let's zoom in here. Let's go, let's just go upscale. So you can do anything you want to with it, knock out that corner. Now what we want to do, and I've nudged the whole time, I've never moved it. And now what we can do, you can see that little corner's out of there. So we can take the whole thing, select both items, 2 items selected, go up to intersect. And what that did, that intersected that picture with that corner missing. Now what I can do, depending on how big you want that picture to be, that's the correct size. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to contour. And let's just contour the outside with square corners, 1/4 of an inch. Now we're going to go to object, break the contour apart. And now we can grab our new contour and put it around there. And I don't know anything about printing. You could make the whole thing black. I'll just take away the outline and then go up to object, order, backup page. Now we need to make the picture transparent. So I'm going to go up to the transparency docker. And when you open it, this little slide bar, and just do whatever, how much transparency you want, then move it back over. And really that kind of makes it a little bit too dark. So let's try another way. Let's take this and left click, right click, move it over, and then use the smart fill tool. And depending on what color, I'm going to say black. See, that did not change the picture. It made it more transparent. Now we can move it around because we're basically through. And I just typed out some words on the internet. Let me move it up there next to it. And see that little corner's cut out, then just take the word take note. Now, hopefully they're going to pick a better picture where it's not going to be going through the young lady's head. But see, that way everything on the picture is transparent. So that's a pretty cool thing because you could still make notes and still be able to read it, make some hand notes. Anyway, I hope that helped them and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.